Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, top cover, and card reader board. Warning: to avoid personal injury or damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal: disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the system board and set it aside for later replacement. Remove the single T8 torque screw that secures the battery to the base enclosure. Lift up the battery from the rear edge near the connector. Grasp the battery with both hands to lift it off of its alignment pins and remove. Replacement: place the battery onto its alignment pins at the front end of the notebook. Rotate the battery down over its connector on the system board and press down gently to secure the battery in place. Replace the single T8 torque screw that secures the battery to the base enclosure. Reconnect the card reader board ribbon cable to the system board.